for watching us. Yeah, I thought speaking of sound there was a one for us. Because we're insects from outer space. And we'll lie right to your face. Then there's two. Well, that goes out to Delaware. Because that's where we're from. That's where you're not.
65.
And three's for Vineland, just because we're here tonight. Oh, hello, child. I'm glad you're here tonight. Yeah, three's for the baby. He looks like he's a rock and roller. Thanks for bringing him out, sir. Oh. Four. It's for all you beautiful people. I got a four. It's for all of you humans who want coffin flies eggs inside of your stomach to pop out and be beautiful, wonderful. Thank you so much. We love you so much. And thanks to Rockabilly Roadhouse Radio, my Rock Professor. Listen every Tuesday. They're the greatest. This song's about dancing and rattling some boats. Here he was like, I'm so glad you're here. Yes, thank you. Donate knowledge. That's wonderful. Don't forget that you donated that, though. You're going to have to feel bad a little later. Donate some more. Thanks, sir. Your hat is lovely. This song's about rattling some bones. I hope the lovely couple may subscribe before we're down on that boat.
These cars are so